His Excellency President Mnangagwa has commended the Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF for its enduring contribution to national food security, and he has challenged the institution to move beyond primary production into agro processing and the export of high-value agricultural products. Sanapenda Mashkobla the President challenges ZDF to turn institutional farms into agro-industrial powerhouses. Not by subscribe or like on the bill icon. Timna Mnamobla President Mnangagwa said the ZDF's growing agricultural capacity must now be leveraged to support the country's industrialization and value addition agenda under NDS2 and Vision 2030. In quotes, building on a legacy from Operation Maguta to institutional farms, the President recalled the ZDF's significant role in agriculture, with Operation Maguta, launched in 2005, as a clear example of the Defense Forces' capacity to mobilize land, human resources, and the institutional infrastructure in support of national food production. That experience demonstrated that the Defense Forces could meaningfully contribute to national development while complementing broader agricultural programs. Today, the legacy continues. ZDF institutional farms now serve as strategic food assets, supporting both the forces' requirements and contributing to the national food baskets at a time when Zimbabwe is placing food sovereignty, irrigation, and a climate resilient agriculture at the center of its development agenda. Core directives from the President. Number one, from food producers to agro-industrial players. Number two, integrated value chains. Number three, a new chapter in the ZDF's development role. In this way, the ZDF will continue to reinforce national food security and sovereignty while making a visible contribution to NDS2 in Vision 2030. Toma developments, a speech to wanamtukamira wenyika pa Defense Forces Day. Na comment section minutes of gray email to give them the pitch. Subscribe or like, chitomba pia wekwana.